This is MacRitchie Reservoir, Singapore's oldest reservoir and first water supply system ever implemented on the island. For over 150 years, rainwater has gathered here, flowing quietly beneath the still surface, just like the energy, chi or prana in our own body. In yoga, the focal point of this energy or prana is mentioned as chakras, the energy centers that influence our physical and emotional well-being. The throat chakra or Vishuddhi governs our expression, clarity and balance, and it is closely connected to our thyroid health. Today, in the calm of MacRitchie, we awaken this energy, bringing vitality and harmony to nourish our thyroid health. Welcome to SG60 Yoga Wellness Series. I am Ranjani, an internationally certified yoga therapist, pregnancy and hatha yoga teacher, author and founder of Aathmik Yoga. In this 60-day journey, we are not just going to explore the yoga flows. We are going to explore the soul of Singapore through movement, breath, and mindfulness. If you are new here, I would invite you to check out our previous episodes. Trust me, you will relish each one of them. So let's get started on our mat with the basic warm-ups. Let's begin with the neck rolls. So sitting comfortably on the mat, slowly turn your neck to the left and right, moving to the right side as you take one deep inhalation. Exhale, come to the center. Again, inhale to the left. Exhale to the center. Do it for 2-3 rounds, keeping your focus completely on your neck muscles. And now similarly move your neck to the up and down. As you inhale, try to look at the sky. And as you exhale, bring your chin closer to the chest. Loosening up the neck muscles, releasing any tension in your body. So now let's do some shoulder rotations. Bring your fingertips to the top of your shoulder blades and start making circles with your hands. Try to touch the elbows in the front and wide open your chest as you roll your shoulder blades. 3 to 5 rounds in one direction and start making circles in the anti-clockwise direction. Now let's warm up the spine and the obliques, the sides of your hips. Kneel down and try to sit on your heels. So this is Vajrasana. From here, try to keep one hand on the mat, taking the right hand up above the head and stretching sideways. Do it for 2-3 rounds on each side. And as you inhale, you are in the center. As you exhale, stretch to the side. You can slightly bend your elbows to intensify the practice. And one common mistake in this pose is rounding the shoulders to the front. So do not bring your arms and bend in the front. Try to keep your chest open. That is, the shoulder blades should be in line with each other. And try to open the sides of your hips. Now let's move on to the next warm-up. Starting in tabletop and all fours, keep your hips in line with your knees and slowly move your hands a bit forward and try to melt your chest closer to the mat, bringing your chin or forehead to the mat to stretch your shoulder blades and open up your chest. Anahatasana, the melting heart pose, opens the chest and throat area, gently stimulating the thyroid glands. It helps balance hormones, reduces fatigue and restores calm energy. Slowly push yourself up. Now let's move on to the asanas, the physical postures. The first pose is Ushtrasana or the camel pose. It is an advanced pose. I'll be showing different variations of the camel pose. Try to switch to the pose that is easy and comfortable to your body according to your level of flexibility. Starting with the final variation, that is the advanced variation of the camel pose. On your knees, try to keep your feet flat. Give some space between your knees and slowly try to lean back and hold one foot and take the other hand up, opening your chest and try to hold the other feet. Push your chest forward. Let your head drop back softly and stay. This pose boosts circulation to the throat, awakening the thyroid gland. It supports energy flow, balances hormones and enhances vitality. And slowly relax. The same way. Let's do a little bit of easy variation where you can tuck your toes or you can keep any blocks, yoga blocks behind your back And you can try to hold your feet. Same way. Leaning backwards. Opening your chest. Stay here. Keep breathing. And slowly relax. If you are a beginner and feel this is quite hard and cannot make into this pose, you can follow the easier variations. So from this pose, try to keep your hands behind your hip and try to do a gentle back bend and stay and relax. And if you feel even this is quite hard, you can go with the easiest variation where you will be sitting down on your heels and try to press your palms behind your back. You can again use a yoga block here to support your palms. And now slowly push your chest forward and drop your head back and relax. And let's move on to the next pose, that is the shoulder stand or Sarvangasana. Again, this is also a quite advanced pose. Lie flat on your back, arms by your side. Inhale, bend your legs and bring it closer to the stomach. And exhale, press the palms into the floor and roll your hips upwards. Support your back with your hands. Walk your palms higher until the chest lifts and legs extend straight up. Keep chin gently tucked to the chest. Gaze at your toes and breathe steadily. This pose directs fresh circulation to the neck, nourishing the thyroid. This gentle inversion helps regulate hormones, boosts vitality, and supports overall balance in body and mind. From Sarvangasana, keep your hands supporting your back. Slowly bend your legs and drift them overhead, lowering the toes towards the floor behind you. Keep your breath steady, chin tucked and spine long. If the toes don't touch, just let them hover comfortably. Stay here soft and supported. This is the easy variation. Or you can also keep a chair or block and rest your legs behind your head until you gain the flexibility to do the pose. Halasana deeply compresses the throat, massaging the thyroid gland and supporting hormonal balance. It calms the nervous system, helps in sinus congestion, and improves flexibility in the spine and shoulders. So for beginners who cannot do the shoulder stand, they can just stay closer to your wall or a tree and try to lift the legs up. Point the toe upwards and stay here. And slowly relax. Once you are relaxed, try to turn your neck to the left and right. Rotate your wrist and relax. Let's do the counter pose for shoulder stand and plow pose. If you're practicing an advanced pose in yoga, you need to perform the counter pose to release any tension in your muscles. So now we are going to perform the fish pose. Either you can keep your legs extended out or you can cross it. It is okay to keep your legs in any position. And now slowly press your elbows behind your back. Support your body with this and slowly drop your crown of the head closer to the mat, or you can touch the mat, extending the neck muscles and stay here for a few breaths. After shoulder stand, fish pose releases tension, revitalizes the throat and supports thyroid health for hormonal balance. Once done, slowly relax. And the next pose we are going to do is forward fold and butterfly pose. A gentle stretch for your hips. First, try to practice this Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose for few breaths. And now slowly bring your palms to the front of your legs and bend forward. Bend from the hip, keep your spine straight and see if you can keep your elbow on the floor and stay here. If possible, you can also rest your forehead onto the soles of your feet. This pose gently stretches the hips and inner thighs, calms the mind and supports digestion and relaxation. And relax. Try to hug your knees for few breaths. Now let's perform the next pose, that is the cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Lie down on your belly on your mat. Keep your legs closer to each other and feet flat, not like this. Now widespread your fingers, do not keep them like this, keep it wide open and press it closer to your chest on both the sides. Take one deep inhalation and push yourself up. Wide opening your shoulder blades, drop your head back, try to look up at the ceiling and stay here. Keep breathing. Bhujangasana opens the chest and throat, stimulates the thyroid, and energizes the body for balanced metabolism. You can repeat it for 2 to 3 rounds and gently relax. And now let's perform the next pose, that is the bridge pose. So lie down again on your back. Try to bend your knees and press your feet firmly on the mat. You can also reach for your legs and try to hold the ankle joint. Inhale, push your hips high. So this makes the complete bandha, the throat chakra bandha here, locking the chin to the chest, activating our thyroid gland. Stay here for few breaths. Bridge pose opens the chest, strengthens the back, and stimulates the thyroid for energy and balance. And you can relax, but it's okay if you're not able to hold your ankle. You can just keep your palms on the mat and stay here. Gently relax. If you're interested in deepening your wellness journey, check out my book, Yogic Secrets of Eating. Purchase link is in the description box below. Now let's move on to the next segment, that is the mudra therapy. With respect to today's practice, we are going to practice Surya Mudra. To perform that, try to press the tips of your ring finger to the middle of your palm and press it gently with your thumb. Give some gentle pressure. This is Surya Mudra. Now place it on your lap and sit comfortably from 5 to 20 minutes in a day. Surya Mudra have lot of contraindications. Do watch the complete video on Surya Mudra before adding this into your routine. I'll be attaching the video in the I button and also in the description box of this video. Now let's move on to the next segment, that is the Pranayama or the breathing techniques. The first breathing technique that we are going to do is the Ujjayi Pranayama. To perform this, you can sit in any comfortable position. Keep your spine straight. Ujjayi Pranayama is also known as the victory breathing or the ocean breathing. Beginners may find this Ujjayi Pranayama quite confusing, so I'll be giving a trick which will help you to learn this Pranayama easily. Got yoga related questions? Join my WhatsApp group with 500 plus members for support, or follow my channel for updates if you prefer privacy. Links are in the description. So bring in your entire attention and awareness to your throat center. While inhaling and exhaling, you need to constrict your throat and inhale and exhale through your nostrils. Listen carefully to the sound of the ocean breathing. And breathe like this for 1 minute to relax your mind and body and get the complete benefits of Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama is also known to stimulate the vagus nerve, which is also helpful in improving our digestion, improving our circulation, and various other benefits related to our mental health. For beginners who don't know how to constrict the throat, so just imagine you're going to make fog on a mirror. So imagine this is the mirror. You'll be fogging with your mouth open. We do that while constricting the throat. So same way, try to constrict your throat but while keeping the mouth closed. So this is the Ujjayi breathing trick. You need to practice this multiple times to get hold of the Ujjayi Pranayama. The next breathing technique that we are going to learn is the Simakriya or the lion's breath. For that, we need to kneel down and try to spread the legs apart with your spine straight. Now keep your palms wide open and press your fingertips and your palms on the mat like this. The fingertips should be pointing towards your body. And in this pose, as you inhale, try to look up. And as you exhale, roll your tongue out and make the sound ha or like a lion's roar. So let's take one long deep inhalation. Once done, relax, rotate your wrist. Now let's move on to the next segment, that is the meditation with chanting the Bij mantra of our throat chakra. Sit comfortably, keep your hands in Jnana Mudra, touching the tips of your index finger to the thumb. Keep it on your lap and listen to my voice in this short guided meditation. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply and evenly. As you inhale, silently chant the seed mantra or the Bij mantra hum of the throat chakra, feeling the vibration gently awakening your throat area and thyroid glands. Inhale and exhale. Hum. Repeat softly and rhythmically, allowing the sound to clear and balance your throat center. Hum. With each breath, feel more clarity, confidence, and harmony flowing within you. Allow this healing vibration to nurture your thyroid and your voice, your truth. Feel the silence, calming your mind. And now gently open your eyes and relax. Let's move on to the next segment, journaling. Let's take a moment to pause and reflect inwards. I have my journaling app. You can either use the app or you can use a pen and paper to journal your thoughts. Throat chakra governs our ability to express the truth and release what's inside. Unspoken words and unexpressed emotions can create energy blockages and affect our thyroid health. Let's ask ourselves these questions. Where in my life am I holding back my voice or feelings? And what thoughts or emotions need gentle release and healing? Write 2 or 3 honest reflections. Let your words nurture your path to balance and well-being. Do not judge or do not correct yourself. Let your words flow freely onto your paper or onto your app. Speak your truth with kindness and courage. Write it, say it, or sing it, whatever moves you. If you like this SG60 Yoga Wellness series, then do like, share and subscribe Aathmik Yoga. Together, let's journey through this 60 days of mindful yoga across this beautiful island. One breath, one pose, one moment at a time. See you again on your mat.
किस तरह है